Sit up with the legs stretched out, straight in front of you, keeping the spine erect and toes flexed towards you. Inhale. Raise both arms above your head and stretch up. Exhale. Bend forward from the hips, chin moving towards the toes. Hold the right wrist in front of the feet or place your hands on your legs wherever they reach without forcing. Place your head to the knees or shins. Long exhalations. Stretch the spine forward, reaching towards the legs with your head. Breathe. Stretch the arms out in front of you. Inhale. Come up to the sitting position. Exhale. Lower the arms.